Hello friends, what's up my friends? Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we're gonna to show you the Zilliqa price prediction, what's the price change goes, and Zilliqa, what's the current status of Zilliqa and now in the market of cryptocurrencies. I will show you in this video. So before starting this interesting video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Don't forget to subscribe, and my wish to hit 3k subscriber also. As you can see here, that is a live price prediction occurs in the last one day. The price change occur in the last one day. You are watching now on screen. If you look, the average change occur in the last one day, and Zilliqa is positive 7.5% change occur in Zilliqa in the previous last one day. So friends, and the high price of Zilliqa is about dollar 0.210231 is the high price of Zilliqa. Friends, if we look the chart analysis of Zilliqa, so the chart analysis tell us that at the previous hour they absolutely take a high jump and they are in the explosion as you can see here. But at this point is a high point of Zilliqa, as you can see here, high point of Zilliqa after now the previous last 2 hour 4 hour they falling down, as you can see here, fast down. The dumping period of the Zilliqa are starts now, and now currently they are also in the dumping mood, as you can see here. Now currently they are also in the dumping mood. So now let's see the last 1 hour price prediction, what's going now currently, what's the change occur, and now in a Zilliqa currently what's the and the high price of Zilliqa now, and what's the current price at this time, what's the price of Zilliqa. So friends, as you can see here, that is the last 1 hour price prediction of Zilliqa. Now currently price prediction of Zilliqa you are watching now, negative 0.64% change occur in Zilliqa in the last 1 hour, and the high price of Zilliqa is about dollar 0.207071 dollar. So friends, if we look the currently status of Zilliqa, so currently they are again ready for explosion. Maybe they take a high jump, maybe they again falls down. So my suggestion for all of you, that if you look the last one day price prediction, the last 1 hour price prediction, so the both are positive. Soon they are in positive because now they take a start jumping upward. So my suggestion for you, if you are a holder of Zilliqa, please hold your Zilliqa coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of coming soon of Zilliqa. So wait for it, that will make you millionaire. So please hold your Zilliqa coin with the last of this month. I'm also hold my Zilliqa coin with the last of this month. So please, my suggestion for all of you, that hold it. And if you want to buy a Zilliqa, so absolutely it's a good news for it's a good time to buy a Zilliqa coin at this time, friends. That's only my suggestion for all of you. What's your opinion about Zilliqa? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.